Do you want to know how to fix Instagram swipe reply not working? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. As you can see, the swipe reply is not working. This can be happen because of some bugs. Just head over to your Play Store and check if there is an update for Instagram. If you have update for Instagram, just update it. And still, if you face the same issue, tap on your profile icon, tap on the three lines on the top right corner and click settings. Scroll down and select help. Then click report a problem. And here type the message like I'm typing Instagram team, I have an issue with the Instagram messages. Swipe reply is not working. Please resolve this issue as soon as possible. Thank you. After that, click on submit button. It takes few days to resolve this issue, but this will fix it. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.